Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to cover the basics of Python in 10 minutes. And it's just going to be a real quick overview that'll touch on the basic syntax, variables and data types, basic operations, and an introduction to the functions. So, Python is a language that's as fun as it is powerful. And today we're going to zip through the basics, so buckle up. So, first, what is Python? Well, it's not just a snake. Python is a very versatile programming language, and coders all over the world love it, mainly because it's simple. From building websites to analyzing data, Python literally does it all. For example, Python powers Instagram's backend, and it's used in AI models like TensorFlow for machine learning. So just like the icons bouncing around, it's everywhere, from the internet all the way to space. Okay, we're going to dive right into Python syntax by revisiting the Hello World program from the other video. And I've already opened up VS Code and created a new Python file. And we're just going to type print hello world. We'll make sure we save it, hit run, and voila. You just told the world hello in Python. Pretty simple, right? And it's that simplicity that makes Python so awesome. Now we'll talk about variables. And you can think of variables as containers storing data. In Python, creating a variable is very easy. You just type my underscore variable equals 5, and that's it. To print the variable, you just type print my underscore variable, and Python will then figure out whether it's a number, a text, or whatever it may be. No fuss needed on your part. Once you've got that typed, you just make sure you save the file, click run, look in the console, there's your variable, printed your variable. Easy peasy. Now we will do basic operations. Python handles math like a champ, and to add numbers, all you type is print and 3 plus 2. There you go. There's your numbers. Save the file, click run, and you're good to go. You've got your math problem. It solved it for 5. Suppose you want to make it 3 minus 2. Just change the symbol. So be sure to save it again, of course, and click run, and there we go. We have 1. But what if you wanted to do words as the operation? Python adds words too. So you can put print hello plus world, and it'll handle the words and the math. I guess I typed a little slow. It's fine. It'll be okay. Be sure to save it, click play, and there you go. It's going to do it. Hello world. It combined them just like an addition problem, but make it a little more complex. What about 10 minus 5 plus 3? It's like a Facebook post. Only geniuses can figure this one out. Click save. My bad. Run it, and there we go. We've got 8. Okay, finally we'll touch on functions. And functions are like mini commands that you create. See where I messed up already. A simple one is def greet name, and then return hello name. So that touches on some things that we'll go a little more in depth about, I guess, about functions. Def greet name and return hello plus name defines the function. You'll need to call the function with an argument and print its result. Example would be print greet Alice. Alice is a good name. And the final should be def greet name return hello plus name, and then you call the function and print the result with print greet Alice, and that should print hello Alice. The explanation for that is the function greet takes the parameter name and then returns a string that is the concatenation of hello and name. So to see the output, you have to call the function with an argument like Alice and use the print function to display the returned value. So remember, in Python, defining a function only specifies what the function should do. The function doesn't actually execute until it's called. Therefore, the print statement outside the function definition is necessary to see the output of the function. And that pretty much covers the basics of Python. Alright, so that pretty much does it. Thank you guys for bearing with me while I try and figure out how to do this voiceover, because the audio did not do so well when I was capturing the screen, but I'm figuring it out, and hopefully somebody out there found this at least a little bit beneficial as a launching pad. For more information, you can check out the Python official documentation at python.org, or you can join forums like Stack Overflow and connect with the others on the same journey. And that pretty much wraps it up. Python in less than 10 minutes, I guess. So just keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep coding. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and we really appreciate your like, share, and subscribe for future videos.